Here we shall see the preparation of glycol. This glycol is an polyhydric alcohol. The formula for the glycol is C2H4OH twice. And we are using ethylene and we are getting ethylene glycol, that is CH2OH single bond CH2OH. And here the hydroxylation is taking place. Hydroxy means OH, lation means addition. So addition of OH is taking place by using Bayes reagent. What is Bayes reagent? Cold alkaline solution of KMnO4. So cold alkaline solution of KMnO4 is called Bayes reagent. Now we shall see the preparation. So this is having 2 carbons. So we are taken ethylene, that is CH2 double bond CH2. So we are adding water to this and we are taken Bayes reagent, that is KMnO4. Here you see this CH2OH we are getting, and this is ethylene glycol. IUPAC name for this is ethane 1,2-diol. Next we shall see preparation of glycerol. This glycerol is prepared from palmitic acid. The formula for palmitic acid is CH3 CH2 14 times COOH. This is an trihydric alcohol. Here 2 primary alcohol and 1 secondary alcohols are there. These are present in plants and animals, in plants like soybeans, animals fat. These are present. These are called as esters. How does ester form? This ester is formed when alcohol and acid reacts. Alcohol ROH plus these acids RCOOH. When these are reacting, these are hydrolyzed. And these are hydrolyzed and we are getting glyceroids. And the uses of these glycerols are, these are used in ointments, they are used as a sweetening agents, and these are colorless, odorless liquid. Now we shall see the preparation of this glycerol. First glycerol part we are writing, that is CH2O, CHO, CH2O. And this acid part, that is we are taken palmitic acid, that is CH3 CH2 14 times COOH. And the OH is removed, so C double bond O CH2 14 times CH3. The same thing is here, same thing is there. So we are adding here 3 triols. So we are taking 3 NaOH. So from the 3 NaOH, one hydrogen is reacting, attacking here, other one is here combining here, other one is combining with this O. So we are getting CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH, that is glycerol. IUPAC name of this is profane 1,2,3-triol. The remaining is 3 NaO, and these 3 NaO is combining with these 3 and we are getting 3 NaO, C double bond O, CH2 14 times CH3. This is nothing but sodium palmitate. This sodium palmitate is nothing but soap. This we are getting soap as a byproduct, side product. We are getting glycerol plus soap. And this is called sulfonication. Because this soap Sodium palmate is a soap. Since soap is formed as a byproduct, this is called as sulfonegation. Next we shall see the methods to differentiate primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. The difference between the primary and the secondary tertiary. This one is Lucas test. Here when the alcohols are treated with Lucas reagent, that is a mixture of concentrated HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride at room temperature, when we are reacting this tertiary alcohols, immediately they form turbidity. Uddane and the tertiary alcohol will form turbidity due to the formation of alkyl chloride, which is insoluble medium, and the secondary takes 10 minutes and the primary do not react. We shall see, this is the tertiary alcohol. We know already what is tertiary alcohol, that is to which the functional group OH is, to which carbon it is present, and that carbon is having 3 carbons. That is tertiary alcohol. We are taken, that is 2-methyl propane 2-ol we are taken. So when this is treated with HCl, this Cl replaces the OH. Therefore CH3, CH3, this OH is replaced by Cl and we are getting H2O. This water is eliminated. In this test the water is eliminated. So the second one is secondary alcohol. When this Cl replaces this OH, CH3, Cl and water is eliminated, and this appears slow appearance. After 10 minutes this appears. And the tertiary primary, you see, that is ethanol we are taken. When this treated with HCl, this Cl replaces this OH, and here you see no reaction is taking place at room temperature, but when it is heated, the turbidity appears only on heating. When we are heating, this reaction is taking place, but at room temperature, here no reaction is taking place. Hi students, this Victor Mayer test is another test, just like a Lucas test, to differentiate the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Here in Victor Mayer test, there are 4 substances that we add to the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. First we add red phosphorus or iodine. Second, silver nitrate. Third, we add nitrous acid. This nitrous acid is the mixture of NaNO2 plus HCl. Fourth, we add KOH. And these are the 3 things: primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. The primary will be red in color, the secondary will be blue color, the tertiary will be in colorless. First we add red phosphorus or iodide. Second we add silver nitrate. Here we will not see any change, but after we add this nitrous acid to nitroalkanes, there will start seeing the colors. Now we shall see primary alcohol, that is CH2OH, the secondary is CHOH, the tertiary is COH. We shall take any example. First we take ethanol, that is CH3CH2OH. For the secondary we take CH3CH3OH. The name, IUPAC name for this is How many carbon chains are there? 1, 2, 3. So this functional group is present in the second one, so to all. How many carbon chains are there? 1, methane, ethane, profane. So profane to all. For the tertiary we are taken CH3, C, CH3, CH3, OH. So the longest chain is 1, 2, 3. So the OH is present in the second chain, and one more substitution also is present in the second chain. So 2 methyl profane to all. So first substance what we are adding is red phosphorus or iodine. This iodine break ஆகும்போது I plus or I minus ஆகும். So this iodide ion replace the OH. Therefore we are getting CH3, CH2I, and this IUPAC name is iodoethane. Here in the second one, when we are adding this iodine will replace this OH. So CH3, CH, CH3I. So this IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3. So 2 iodoprofane, methane, ethane, profane, 3. So profane. In the tertiary when we add this iodine, this iodide replace the OH. So we are getting CH3, 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 and this iodine is replacing, iodide is replacing the OH, so we are getting I. And this name is, see, we shall number the carbon chain 1, 2, 3. So even we can name this 1, 2, 3. So we'll get this iodide is present in the second one. The same way this substitution also is present in the second one. So 2 iodo, 2 methyl profane. 1, 2, 3. So 2 iodo, 2 methyl profane. In the third step, to this iodoethane we are adding AgNO2, silver nitrate we are adding. When we are adding this silver nitrate, this silver is combining with this iodine and is liberated as silver iodide. In the same way here, silver iodide is liberated. So we will be having this CH3, CH2, NO2. So this formula is nitroethane. In the same way here, AgI will be eliminated and we will be having NO2. So this name is 1, 2, 3. So 2 nitropropane. And in the same way here, so we will be having carbon chain is 1, 2, 3. So we are having 2 nitro, 2 methyl. So methyl, according to when we are having 2 substitution, we give importance to the alphabetical order. So 2 methyl, 2 nitropropane. In the fourth step, we are adding HNO2. In the third we are adding HNO2. This reacts with the hydrogen there. ஸோ இந்த NO2 நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம் அப்படின்னா HONO அப்படின்னு எழுதிக்கிறலாம். இந்த ஹச்சை நடுவால் எழுதக்கூடாது, ஏன்னா H will have only single bond. ஸோ HONO அப்படின்னு நம்ம எழுதிக்கிறோம். ஏன்னா 2 O இருக்குது, HN இருக்குது, ஒரு H ஒரு N 2 O இருக்குது, அதைத்தான் நம்ம இப்படி எழுதுகிறோம். This reacts with the hydrogen here. இப்போ when this reacts with this hydrogen, so இந்த H2 இங்கே உள்ள ஒரு O போயிரும். ஸோ ரிமைனிங் இஸ் ஒரு OH இருக்குது. அந்த OH comes here and the N. ஸோ CH3 C double bond N OH and this NO2 comes here. The same way here CH3 and this NO2 இருக்குது. இந்த NO இங்கே ஒரு O இருக்கும், இங்கே ஒரு ஹைட்ரஜன் இருக்குது. அப்போ இங்கே உள்ள ஒரு ஹைட்ரஜனும் இந்த ஆக்சிஜனும் சேர்ந்து H2O வெளியில் போயிடும். ஸோ மிச்சம் இருக்கிறது இந்த NO comes here. இந்த tertiary see for the tertiary here there is no hydrogen. So here no hydrogen, so here the reaction does not takes place, because here hydrogen is acidic medium. When it is hydrogen is an acidic medium, the reaction is taking place. So here no acidic medium, because there is no hydrogen, so there is no reaction is taking place here. Next come to the fourth step. The fourth substance that we are adding is KOH. We are adding KOH to this, and this replace the hydrogen in OH. இந்த OHல இருக்கிற ஹைட்ரஜனை இது ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணிடும். இந்த H will replace. இந்த இங்கே H KOHல உள்ள இந்த OHம் இங்கே உள்ள இந்த ஹைட்ரஜனும் வாட்டராக எலிமினேட் ஆயிரும். ஸோ this K will replace this hydrogen. So we will be getting CH3 C double bond N. This NO2 will be here and we will be having OK here, and this solution will be in red in color. So when this solution is red in color, this is primary alcohol. And in the same way here you see CH3 and this NO2 and this NO comes here. When we are adding KOH, we are getting this solution will be blue in color. When this solution is blue in color, this is secondary alcohol. Properties of alcohol. Physical properties. Lower alcohols are colorless liquid and higher members are waxy solid. So the lower ones are colorless, the higher ones are waxy. They have higher boiling points than the corresponding other organic compounds. இதனுடைய boiling point வந்து high, மற்ற organic compounds விட இது boiling point is high, as alkanes, aldehydes, ether, etc. This is due to the presence of intermolecular bonding present in alcohol. Third one is among isomeric alcohols, primary alcohols have higher boiling point. So among isomeric alcohol, the structure wise பார்க்கும்போது the primary alcohols have the higher boiling point comparing to others, and the tertiary alcohols have lower boiling point. The fourth one is The lower members are highly soluble in water due to the formation of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. And this is the negative charge, and here the bond is taking place covalent bond. Here intramolecular. So this is covalent and this is intra. This is negative charge, and whereas this is positive charge and this is hydrogen bond. This is positive and this is hydrogen and this is intermolecular. Now you see, due to the formation of intermolecular hydrogen bonding with water, this is highly soluble in water. Lower members, அதாவது குறைவான கார்பனுடைய எண்ணிக்கையை இதுக்கு இந்த ஆல்கஹாலுக்கு இருக்கிறதுனால these are having intermolecular hydrogen bonding, so it is highly soluble in water.